Why don't we tell secrets when we're awake? Because it's not safe to spill the beans while you're asleep. It's a funny thought, isn't it? But for many, a good night's sleep is no laughing matter. In an ever-busy world, the struggle to get a good night's sleep is common. And it's no secret that a lack of quality sleep can affect everything from your mood to your overall health. That's where herbal sleep aids come in. These are natural alternatives to traditional sleeping pills, offering a gentler solution to your nighttime woes. In this video, we're going to explore what herbal sleep aids are, which ones are the most effective, and how to incorporate them into your daily routine. We'll also be sharing some of our top recommended health products to help you get the restful sleep you need. So stay tuned if you want to drift off to sleep naturally and wake up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Ever wondered what herbal sleep aids are? Well, let's dive right into it. Herbal sleep aids, as the name suggests, are sleep-enhancing substances derived from nature. They have their roots in ancient medicinal practices and have been used for centuries across various cultures to promote restful sleep. These natural remedies primarily work by interacting with your body's sleep-inducing hormones and neurotransmitters. They can help to calm the mind, relax the body, and regulate your sleep-wake cycle, creating the optimal conditions for a good night's sleep. What sets herbal sleep aids apart from their pharmaceutical counterparts? Well, it's primarily their origin and composition. While pharmaceutical sleep aids are synthetically produced in labs, herbal sleep aids are sourced directly from nature. They harness the power of plants and herbs, using their natural compounds to induce sleep. Moreover, herbal sleep aids often have fewer side effects compared to pharmaceutical sleep aids. They are typically non-habit-forming and don't typically lead to dependence over time. However, it's worth noting that results can vary from person to person, and what works for one may not work for another. Pharmaceutical sleep aids, on the other hand, are scientifically engineered to induce sleep. They can be very effective, but they often come with a list of potential side effects and the risk of developing a tolerance or dependence. It's important to remember that while herbal sleep aids can be a useful tool in your sleep-enhancing arsenal, they're not a magic bullet. Good sleep hygiene, including maintaining a regular sleep schedule and creating a restful sleep environment, is still key. Before starting any new supplement regimen, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional. They can guide you on the appropriate dosage and provide information on any potential interactions with other medications you may be taking. Now that we have a basic understanding of herbal sleep aids, let's explore some of the most popular ones. There's a whole garden of sleep aids out there. Let's find out which ones are the most effective. In the realm of sleep assistance, nature has provided us with a cornucopia of herbs that can help us catch those elusive Z's. Let's delve into some of the most popular ones, shall we? First up, we have chamomile. This dainty little flower packs a powerful sleep-inducing punch. It's been used for centuries as a natural remedy to reduce inflammation, decrease anxiety, and treat insomnia. In fact, chamomile is commonly regarded as a mild tranquilizer due to its high concentration of a particular antioxidant called apigenin. This antioxidant binds to certain receptors in your brain that can decrease anxiety and initiate sleep. Just imagine a cup of warm chamomile tea before bedtime, not only soothing for your taste buds, but also for your sleep cycle. Next on the list, we find lavender. Now, who hasn't heard of the calming effects of lavender? It's pretty much the poster child for relaxation. Research suggests that the scent of lavender increases slow-wave sleep, instrumental for slowing heartbeat and relaxing muscles. This aromatic herb can be used in various forms, as essential oils, in bath salts, or even in your pillowcase. However, do remember, while lavender can be your sleep's best friend, it should be used in moderation. High doses could lead to nausea, vomiting, or even headaches. Our third contender is valerian root. This herb is often referred to as nature's Valium, and for good reason. It has been used since ancient times to promote tranquility and improve sleep. The exact science behind how valerian root works is still a mystery to researchers, but some theories suggest that it increases the level of a chemical called gamma-aminobutyric acid in the brain, which can regulate nerve impulses, leading to a calming effect. We also have herbs like lemon balm, a member of the mint family, known for its calming effects, and passion flower, which is often used to treat anxiety and insomnia. All these herbs come with their unique benefits and potential side effects, so it's always essential to do your research or consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating them into your routine. Well, these herbs definitely sound like they can whisk you off to dreamland. But before we continue, a quick reminder. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below about your experience with herbal sleep aids. Your insights can be valuable to the community. And remember, the description box below is a treasure trove of our recommended health products. So make sure to explore it for your wellness needs. Are you enjoying this peaceful journey through herbal sleep aids? If so, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment below with your thoughts. Your engagement helps us create more content like this, tailored for you. It's your virtual cheers that keep us going. Plus, it's always intriguing to hear what you think. So, don't hold back. Let's create a community of peace seekers right here, right now. Now, let's move on to how you can incorporate these herbs into your daily routine. Getting these herbs is one thing, but how do you use them effectively? Let's find out. Our daily routine is a symphony of actions and decisions, and incorporating herbal sleep aids into this melody can be a game changer. They come in various forms, each with their own unique benefits and methods of usage. Let's dive into the world of herbal sleep aids and see how we can make them a part of our everyday life. First up, we have herbal teas. A warm cup of chamomile or valerian root tea before bed can do wonders. These teas are packed with compounds that can help calm your mind and prepare you for a restful night's sleep. The process of brewing and sipping the tea can also be a relaxing ritual, signaling to your body that it's time to wind down. Next, we have essential oils. Lavender, bergamot, and ylang-ylang are just a few examples of essential oils that can promote sleep. You can add a few drops to your bath, sprinkle some on your pillow, or even use a diffuser to fill your bedroom with their soothing scents. But remember, less is more when it comes to essential oils. Too much can be overwhelming and counterproductive. Then, we have herbal supplements. These are usually available in capsule or tablet form and can be a convenient way to get a concentrated dose of sleep-promoting herbs. However, it's crucial to follow the recommended dosage. More doesn't necessarily mean better, and overdoing it can lead to unwanted side effects. Incorporating these herbal sleep aids into your daily routine doesn't have to be complicated. It could be as simple as swapping your nightly cup of coffee for a herbal tea or adding a few drops of essential oil to your bedtime routine. The key is consistency. Like any good habit, the benefits compound over time. Now, a word of caution. While herbal sleep aids can be an effective tool in your sleep arsenal, they're not a magic bullet. Good sleep hygiene is still the cornerstone of a healthy sleep routine. That means maintaining a regular sleep schedule, creating a sleep-friendly environment, and avoiding stimulants close to bedtime. And let's not forget, everyone is unique. What works wonders for one person might not work as well for another. It's all about finding what works best for you, and that can take some trial and error. Don't be discouraged if the first thing you try doesn't give you the results you're hoping for. Be patient, keep experimenting, and most importantly, listen to your body. With these tips, you're well on your way to a peaceful night's sleep. But we've got a little more to share with you. We've talked about the herbs, but where can you find them? Look no further than our description box. And now, let's dive into some of the health products we recommend that contain these wonderful sleep-promoting herbs. To start off, we have a fantastic herbal tea blend that's a mix of chamomile, lavender, and lemon balm. This soothing concoction is ideal for sipping before bedtime. Its calming properties can help ease you into a state of relaxation and slumber. Next up, we have these handy sleep aid capsules. They contain a blend of valerian root and hops, two herbs we've discussed earlier. Not only do they promote restful sleep, but they're also easy to incorporate into your nightly routine. Just pop a capsule about an hour before you plan to hit the hay and let the herbs do their magic. Speaking of magic, let's not forget about our recommended essential oil diffuser. This little device can fill your room with the calming scents of lavender or sweet marjoram, setting the perfect ambiance for a good night's sleep. And for those of you who prefer applying something directly to your skin, we've got you covered with a sleep-promoting body lotion. Infused with the calming aroma of chamomile and lavender, this lotion not only moisturizes your skin, but also assists in sending you off to dreamland. Remember, these are just a few of the many products available out there. We've carefully selected them based on their quality, reviews, and of course, their content of the herbs we've discussed today. You'll find the links to these products in our description box below. Also, keep in mind that these products are meant to support your sleep, not replace good sleep habits. So make sure you're also practicing good sleep hygiene along with incorporating these herbal aids into your routine. With these products, a restful night's sleep is just a click away. But before we wrap up, let's revisit what we've learned. We've journeyed through the world of herbal sleep aids. Let's recap what we've discovered. In the vast expanse of today's wellness universe, we've explored the intriguing constellation of herbal sleep aids. These natural remedies, as we've learned, can offer a gentle nudge into the realm of dreams, without the harsh side effects often associated with synthetic sleep aids. We began our journey by understanding what these herbal sleep aids are. They're plants and herbs, used for centuries across cultures, with properties that help us relax, unwind, and drift off to sleep. They're Mother Nature's gift to the sleep-deprived, the stressed, and those of us who simply need a little help switching off at night. Next, we delved into the top herbal sleep aids. We talked about chamomile, a mild tranquilizer that's like a warm, comforting hug in a cup. We discussed valerian root, a potent herb that can help you fall asleep faster and improve the quality of your sleep. We also looked at lavender, whose soothing scent can lull even the most restless minds into a peaceful slumber. But knowing about these herbs is just the first step. We also shared how you can incorporate these herbal sleep aids into your daily routine. Whether it's sipping on a cup of chamomile tea before bed, taking valerian root capsules, or using lavender essential oil in a diffuser, there are myriad ways to harness the power of these herbs. In our penultimate stop, we pointed you towards our recommended health products that can make incorporating these herbs into your routine even easier. From ready-to-brew tea blends to easy-to-swallow capsules and soothing essential oils, these products are designed to help you achieve a better night's sleep. But remember, while these herbs can help, they're not magic bullets. It's essential to pair them with good sleep hygiene practices. That means maintaining a regular sleep schedule, creating a restful sleep environment, and prioritizing relaxation before bed. Remember, a good night's sleep isn't a dream, it's a reality. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, sweet dreams.